Today we're going to be making a Tri-Doshic spice blend. So this is a great spice to have on hand. It's great for digestion and it's also pretty much conducive for every body type. So we have a collection of all these different spices, and we'll begin with, we have some ground fennel. So I'll do 2 tablespoons of ground fennel. So fennel is nice and cooling. It's great to use in the summertime when it's pretty hot out. And then we have some coriander, so ground coriander. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of ground coriander. Cumin, 1 tablespoon of cumin. And one of the crowning gems of Ayurveda, turmeric, which is great for inflammation, reducing inflammation and giving you that nice, beautiful glow. And then we have some dried basil, so we do a tablespoon of that as well. And then moving over to ginger, so we have some ground ginger. We're going to do 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. So this is always great for kindling digestion and helping digestion all around. Hing, this is the one that's great for helping with reducing gas if you have a tendency towards gas and bloating. And then of course we have some pink salt, so we're going to add that right in there. 1 teaspoon of that. Blend it together and you'll have your spice mix for a week, a month. It's great on vegetables, adding to popcorn or even pasta, I bet it'd be good, and of course khichdi. So now we have all the spices in here. Now we're just going to grab a whisk and blend them all together. Make sure you get them completely homogenized. Don't want any chunks of hing to surprise you during your dinner. All right, and once that's all blended together, you can just find a jar and store it in there and then just have it ready for whenever you're ready to make khichdi or steam some vegetables.